stone.
Meridian stone.
Meridian stone, as because this has been placed in the north-south position accurately.
Okay.
Now here, if you place a rope, it goes over here. There is another stone जो यहाँ पर नहीं है.
Okay.
Not there. Now, now this portion, and if यहाँ से अगर हम लोग एक straight line खींचते हैं, I mean, this straight line actually goes here, straight over here, and to the middle of it, समझ गए? Then we find this is A, this is B, this is C1 and C2, C, and this is say X, this point, M1 and M2 का point. Okay?
Yes.
Now you see this, अभी देखो proportion कैसे बांटा? 1, ये जो distance है ना,
Yes.
ये यहाँ से जो यह distance है, this distance is double the distance of from here till here.
Okay. It's in
Yeah, but this is double.
ratio 2:1, right?
Yes, 1:2.
Okay.
और यहाँ से यहाँ करेंगे ये 4 गुना हो जाता है.
Okay.
So therefore the ratio in this particular axis is 1:2:4.
1:2:4. Kind of a triangle, right?
Yes, it's a kind of a triangle. Now first ये देख लो, ये proportion. Now यहाँ पर से हम लोग खड़ा हो करके we see the equinox sun rising on the equinox mornings.
Yes.
Now you would question me, sir. बोले सर ये आप बताइए, आप तो कहीं भी खड़ा होकर यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. This is an at random point. Take a you place the compass, and because the sun doesn't rise from the east every day. There are only 2 days in a year the sun rises from the east. The rest of the 363 days, the sun wanders between the summer solstice sunrise and the winter solstice sunrise. ये इतना ट्रैवल करता है यहाँ से इतना.
Okay.
और ये यात्रा के दौरान on the equinox mornings it passes this point of due east. So therefore, if you stand in here on the equinox mornings, you will see the sun rise exactly through here.
So is this the middle point between?
There is no midpoint as such. There is no midpoint as such.
Any random point.
No. From this point, तुमको वो point तुमको है this खड़ा होकर के देखना पड़ेगा. Now,
Okay.
तुम पूछ सकते हो बोले सर ये तो आपने खोज निकाला है. गलत नहीं है, ठीक है, चलिए हो सकता है. But how can you say that this particular megalithic observatory or whatever was used to view the equinox? ये आप कैसे कह सकते हैं? ठीक है, हो सकता है, चलिए आप लगा लिया, ये दिख रहा है. It's a valid question. I say don't worry better. Hey wow, here is the fun. ये जितना distance देख रहे हो ना, ये all the distances are fixed according to these sunrise dates. बोले क्या बात कर रहे हैं, हमको सोच समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आप जरा क्लियरली बताइए सर. All right. तो ये जो distance देख रहे हो ना, from here,
Yes.
from the left of A to the left of B, it is 93 inches. Right?
Right.
Now, that means this is a fixed distance.
Right.
It is serving a purpose. 93 करने का कोई मतलब है. क्या मतलब है? जब हम लोग ये distance को measure करते हैं, यहाँ से वहाँ पता लगता है. Then we find that this distance is exactly also 93 inches.
It's 93
From here.
inches.
Yes.
That means these two distances are same, which also means ये distance जो है is actually the distance of the equinox point. समझ गए? ये तो that this particular point is actually the distance between these two points.
Okay.
Now, all these menhirs, यहाँ से पता नहीं लग रहा है because it is a two-dimensional, photograph. These menhirs are facing the mid-winter sunrise point.
Okay.
Rather, winter solstice sunrise के point की तरफ ये point कर रहा है. यानी these menhirs are faced towards the sunrise of 22nd or 23rd December. समझ गए? तो therefore यहाँ से सूरज उगता है विंटर सॉल्स्टिस में 22 और 23 दिसंबर में. So therefore there is another point in here जो यहाँ पर mention visible नहीं है. So that if you stand over here, तो इस पॉइंट से तुम 22 तारीख का सूर्योदय देख सकते हो एग्जैक्टली इसके भीतर से वहां से. Now if you measure this point from here, वहां से you will find that particular distance is equivalent to this distance.
How would that be possible? Because both are in different ratios, right?
Yes, तो रेशियो से क्या मतलब है? That is the fun of it. रेशियो से क्या मतलब? I would rather not say that. रेशियो ही मजेदार है. मजेदार इसलिए है क्योंकि समझ गए ये जो पॉइंट है इट्स नॉट विजिबल फ्रॉम हियर. If you stand over there, then you can see the sunrise from between the two menhirs, M1 and M2,
okay.
on the equinox, summer solstice, the winter solstice mornings.
Okay.
Now that particular distance is equivalent to this distance. In other words, that is double than this distance. Now, there's more fun to it. There is another stone in here. On the summer solstice mornings, you can, if you stand at the back of it, you can see the sun rise
One between.
from here. Here actually this points to